Hey guys, Max73 here. Just want to give you a shot. Look at here. I got a case 580 Super Rail. They were complaining of oil leak. You think that might cause a leak? Yeah. So, wouldn't know why. I'm about to tear into this thing and see what's up. So, take this outer hub off. Get the Allen wrench there. It's a 5. And you have 180 from it. Just crack them loose. Yep. It's a 5mm. Yeah, I can't really see the dark. They're usually not that tight. You can tell they're just a 5mm. Then usually just tap it around. Might have to get something to wedge in there. Let me go get a prying device. Okay, so get something wedged down in there and it'll come out. Like all that glitter? Tasty. So, okay. I have to do this one-handed, sorry about the video. Anyway, got it off. Change the lights here. Ooh, busted. Look at that nice big crack. Ooh. Hang on, let's see if I can do it this way. Right here. Oh. Yeah. Isn't that nice? So, notice this crack right there. I was sitting here just looking, I pulled that little stub shaft out. I'm like, okay, so now I got to looking like, really, look at this. Haven't touched any of these. I just now noticed. Oop. Look at this. Finger tight. Oop, that one's tight. That one's loose. Loose, loose, loose. One. Wow, that's the only one tight. That one's been chewed up. So, as you can tell, there's glitter everywhere in this thing. You can just see it. Yeah. You can just see it. Look at that. Ooh, that's actually broke. Maybe? Ah, nah. See the glitter. actually. It turning. Look at it come out by hand. Look at the glitter behind it. I just noticed something. There's no washer on this one. Look at the glitter. Yeah. I'm not saying I'm an expert at this. I've ever been in here. Nope. Have I ever done one of these on a Super L? Nope. But you don't learn if you don't just tear into it and find out what's going on. I was just thinking about something. Yeah, look at the back of them washers. Those washers have actually got this is part of the washer. It's like an alignment washer slash bushing. Ugh. Look at that. Look at all that glitter. Yay! Okay, so I was telling you about that bolt, the washer. This is the other part. They actually, go on this and the head of the bolt. These all just broke off. So, oh, there we go. Broke off. Look at that. Yuck. Wow. Yeah.